Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload photos in ChatGPT. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and go to chatgpt.com. Now, once you're in here, just make sure that you're logged in, alright? Once done, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Attach Files right here near the text box. Go ahead and choose that. If you want to, you can go ahead and connect your Google Drive right here or your Microsoft OneDrive. But just for this example, as it is easier, I'm just going to go ahead and click on upload from computer. All right. For example, here I have this great picture right here and wait for it to upload, of course. And once it's done, just go ahead and input your prompts right here. For example, explain this photo. Hit enter and wait for ChatGPT's response. All right. As you can see here, it responded, this is an artistic and a somewhat humorous 3D rendered image of a character with exaggerated and surreal features. The character is a large, bald, and round head with an intense, angry facial expression, bulging eyes, and clenched teeth. Which is true. The small body and gesturing hands add to its comical and exaggerated proportions. This style suggests it might be used in animations, memes, or conceptual art for entertainment or satire. All right, and that is it. That's how you upload photos in ChatGPT. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.